हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम नेहल पंड्या एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज के वीडियो में हम एक वर्कआउट करने वाले हैं। ये वर्कआउट उन सभी लोगों के लिए है हु आर जस्ट बिगिनिंग विद देयर एक्सरसाइज जर्नी और फिटनेस जर्नी। और जैसा कि मैं हर वीडियो में बताती हूँ कि ये वर्कआउट की इंटेंसिटी भी आप खुद डिसाइड करेंगे। अगर आपको मैं जो कर रही हूँ वो सिंपल लग रहा है, आप इसका स्पीड बढ़ा सकते हैं। एंड अगर आपको ज़्यादा हार्ड लग रहा है, आप अपने स्पीड से करिए, अपने स्लोली आप ये स्पीड से कर सकते हैं। So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the workout. So we are going to begin by just just spot walking. Before you start any kind of workout, a little bit of warm up, around 1 or 2 minutes of warm up is more than enough. So let's keep going for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So after this, legs apart or take both the hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're still just warming up. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and relax. So that was just a short warm up, and now we do side bending. So hand up, bend towards the side as much as you can. You don't have to go completely down, just go down as much as possible. 2, 3, 4, जितना आप नीचे जा सकते हैं उतना ही जाइए. 5, 6, 7, breathe out. 8, 9 and 10. Now we're going to bend forward and come back up. So for that, hands on your waist. What you want to do is, आप बस आगे झुकिए जितना जा सकते हैं उतना and come back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and one last. 10. So this was basically a full body warm up for your spine, your arms, legs, सब कुछ involved. Now we're going to begin with our exercise routine, which is very simple. The first exercise is modified jumping jacks, which I call as step jacks. So you want to take your leg out, out, and with that the hands. 2, 3, knees slightly bent रखिए. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now elbows bent and you're going to lift your knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And now we bend our knees backwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so with that we're going to use our hands as well. Hands in front, elbows bent, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try and touch your heel to your buttocks if possible. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back to the center. Legs apart. And now point the toes outwards. So towards the side, both the toes. And we're going to do sumo squats. So hands in front of you, Go down as much as you can. You don't have to go very low. Just go down. Squeeze your bum and come up. So you breathe in. Breathe out, come up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, keep going. 8, 2 more. 9, and one last. We're going to stay here. Stay here for 10, 9, 8. Don't take support with your hands. You can if you have to. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Push up and relax. So we're going to do the same leg routine again. Once again, just one more time, and then we move on to the other exercises. Okay, so let's begin with high knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Step jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now hamstring curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7. Keep breathing. Keep exhaling out. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Squat, so toes pointing out. We go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep breathing out. Come on, breathe with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One last and stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back up. Relax. We're done with the leg part. Now we move on to our hands. So this is one of my favorite exercises. This is great for your upper back to improve your posture. It's known as the TYW. Let's make a T. So let's begin. Breathe in, hands out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we make a Y. 1, 2. Here what you want to do is आप अपने पेट को अंदर टाइट पकड़ के रखिए एंड हाथ को जितना ऊपर ले जा सकता है उतना ले जाइए. प्लीज डोंट डू दिस. इससे ना ही आपको कुछ फायदा होगा, आपके बैक पे भी स्ट्रेन आएगा. सो व्हाट यू वांट टू डू इज टमी टक्ड इन, hands up as much as it can go. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now W. So hands in front. 1, 2, breathe in. 3. Simple way to remember is जब chest expand हो रहा है, जब ये part आप खोल रहे हैं, तभी आप सांस अंदर लेंगे. So breathe in. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. The next we move on to arm circles. So hands to the sides. Make small circles, not big. Make smaller. See how it feels. 1, 2, 3. Keep making circles. 4, 5, 6. Easy, right? 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8. Come on. Keep going. Elbows straight. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Elbows bend, push your hands up. 1, 2, I know, 3, 4, keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Arms down, relax. Legs to the sides. Point your left foot outwards. We're just going to do a little stretch. Hands by the sides and bend down. Knees पे pressure बिल्कुल भी नहीं आएगा. So you just want to bend down without touching your leg. Your hand will be in front of your leg. Okay? Bring this hand as up as possible. Try and keep it straight and look in front. Don't look up. You might feel giddy. So you can look in front. If you can look up, that's great. But if you cannot, look in front of you. Hold for 5, 4, 3. Don't put any weight on your leg. 2 and 1. Come back up. Same thing on the other side. So right leg out, hands by the side. Bend down as much as you can. So it depends on your body कितना tightness है, उसी हिसाब से आप side में झुक पाएंगे. So if you're here, that's okay. That's completely fine. Eventually जितना आप करते रहेंगे उतना आप ज़्यादा झुक पाएंगे. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back up and relax. Now we're going to do a very easy exercise using our sofa or a chair, whatever you've got. So what I want you to do is go near a chair or a sofa and sit on the edge of it. Okay? So legs will be hip width apart. Sit on the edge of it. So you guessed it, we're going to do squats using the sofa. Okay? So we want to get up. Now for doing a squat, push the hips back. Don't bend down here. We want to push the hips back as much as possible. Touch the sofa and come back up. यहाँ पे मत बैठिए, इससे नी पे प्रेशर आएगा, नी पे स्ट्रेन आएगा. So आप हिप्स को पीछे पुश करेंगे and then नी बेंड होगा. So हिप्स पहले पीछे जाएगा and then नी बेंड होगा and up. Just touch the sofa and come up. बैठिए मत उस पे, चेयर सोफा जो भी है उस पे बस टच करके ऊपर आइए. एंड ऊपर आते वक्त पैरों का इस्तेमाल करो. नी स्ट्रेट करने पे फोकस करिए and bum tight करिए. That's it. 10 repetitions. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ये वापस आपके थाई को स्ट्रेंथन करने के लिए है. 8, 9. Don't use your hands. You don't want to do this. उससे फिर कोई मतलब नहीं होगा वो एक्सरसाइज करने का. So use your legs and your butt and your hips. And one last and come back up and relax. That's it. Easy peasy. So we are done with squats, jumping jacks. 2 बड़े-बड़े exercise and high knees as well. 3 बड़े-बड़े exercises we have covered in this. Now one last exercise that I really want to cover in this part is a plank pose. Planks are basically done on the ground, but to begin with that strengthening position, we can begin with a sofa or a chair. What you want to do is stand near a sofa, hands straight in line with the shoulders. You want to take your one leg out and then the other. So इससे क्या होगा, आपके hips ऊपर आ रहे हैं. So you want to take it inside, tummy tuck करिए and just push your body towards your hand. That's it. So you don't want to be here. This is wrong. This is going to put a lot of pressure on your wrist. So you want to be like a log, like a straight wooden log, which is why उसको plank बोलते हैं, एक लकड़ी के टुकड़े की तरह, I think. And so आपका body पूरा straight रहेगा. पूरा वजन आपके हाथ पे और आपके पैरों पे होगा. 1, 2, keep breathing. Tummy tight रखिए. 3, 4, पैरों को tight रखिए. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Come back up. You can repeat this as many times as you like, 4 to 5 times. We are going to do it once more. तो आप वो सेम चीज़ कर सकते हैं, या तो आप फ्लोर पे भी कर सकते हैं, जो उसका आइडियल वर्जन है, जो मैं आपको बस दिखा रही हूँ. If you're comfortable, यू कैन कंटिन्यू ऑन दैट। इससे आपके बॉडी को यूज टू फील होगा वजन लेने के लिए हाथों पे, दैट्स ईजियर एंड दैट स्टिल एक्टिवेट्स द मसल जो करना चाहिए। ओके, सो घोड़ा पोजिशन से आप अपना एक पैर बाहर लेंगे एंड देन दूसरा एंड होल्ड फॉर 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax and come back up. So we're just going to finish this session with a bit of stretching. If this was too easy for you, you can repeat this whole thing once again or even do it 3 to 4 times depending on your level. If it wasn't easy, if you struggled through this, that's completely fine. So you can just keep doing this, practice this and get better and stronger, so you can move on to doing other exercises as well. For a little bit of cool down, what we're going to do is forward bend. So hands on your waist, bend forward, keeping the back straight as if आप पानी में अपना reflection देख रहे हो. Hold. If you can keep your hands wherever they reach on your legs. It can be your toes, ankle, knees, shin, thighs. That's completely fine. जितना आप नीचे झुक सकते हैं, बस कोशिश करिए नीज पे आप डायरेक्टली हाथ ना रखें, या तो नीज के ऊपर या नीचे. होल्ड फॉर 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back up, relax, stand in a place, or you can even sit down if you wish to. Close your eyes. We're just going to cool down a bit. If you want to continue doing one round, you can pause this video or go back and finish that one round and come back to this relaxation. So you want to close your eyes, hands by the sides, relaxing your shoulders, keeping your eyes closed. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out, further relaxing the shoulders. Breathe in and a long exhale from your mouth. We're going to do this 2 more times. So breathe in, long exhale through the mouth. Don't be shy, just sigh it out. जितनी भी सांस है उसे मुंह से छोड़िए. And slowly open your eyes. And that's it. That's a short workout practice for you which you can do throughout the day. So here's my fit physio tip for the day. काफ़ी लोगों को लगता है कि अगर उन्हें ज़्यादा स्वेटिंग हो रही है, इसका मतलब है कि उनका वेट लॉस ज़्यादा होगा या जल्दी होगा. दैट इज़ अ मिथ. स्वेटिंग और वेट लॉस का कुछ कनेक्शन नहीं है. नाउ व्हाई इज़ दैट? जब आप वर्कआउट करते हैं तो अंदर से हीट जनरेट होने लगती है. उस बॉडी को कूल डाउन करने के लिए बॉडी स्वेट प्रोड्यूस करता है, पानी, जिससे कि सरफेस फिर आपका ठंडा होने लगता है. यस, कभी भी आप स्वेटी बॉडी को टच करेंगे आपको रियलाइज़ हुआ कि बॉडी ठंडी फील हो रही है, वो स्किन ठंडा फील हो रहा है. ये बस एक मैकेनिज़्म है. कुछ लोगों को ज़्यादा स्वेटिंग होती है, जैसे मुझे थोड़े टेम्परेचर से भी ज़्यादा स्वेटिंग होने लगती है. कुछ लोगों को बहुत मुश्किल से स्वेट होता है. अब स्वेटिंग ज़्यादा होना भी अच्छा नहीं है, उससे आपको हार्म भी हो सकता है. डिहाइड्रेशन हो सकता है आपके बॉडी में, जिसकी वजह से आपको चक्कर आ सकता है, हेडेक फील होगा, नॉजिया फील होगा, यानी उल्टी जैसा होगा. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट यू वांट टू डू इज़ कीप हैविंग 1 or 2 sips ऑफ वाटर. 1-2 घूंट पानी पीते रहिए अपने वर्कआउट के बीच में व्हेन यू टेक अ ब्रेक. एंड अगर आपको स्वेट ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, no issues, just keep working out, enjoy your workout, and that's it. So sweating is not related to weight loss and vice versa. So weight loss is not related to how much you sweat. It's basically just a whole part of your body, just keeping you healthy and keeping you safe. I hope you've enjoyed this workout. If you found this too easy, just remember that there are many people who cannot do the high level workout that we just keep seeing. When I started my fitness journey, I could not do the exercises that I really saw and I wanted to do, which looked very cool. So I started doing the basic exercises that I found out, and this is a series of the basic exercises that I want people to know and people to start with, so that they can just become fitter and better. If you're watching this video and you found this easy and helpful, you can share it with people you know can benefit from this, and it will mean a lot to me if I can spread this message out to those who want to start their journey but are stuck and then don't know how to do it. Just share this with people who you think can benefit from this video and can benefit from a little bit of movement, some easy movements, and that's it. Hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed making it. And अगर आप चाहते हैं तो you can keep repeating this video every day. Basically it's a everyday workout, taking a break once a week or twice a week depending on how much you want to push yourself. If you found this too easy, अगर आपको ये बहुत easy लगा है, आप उनके साथ ये share कर सकते हैं जिनके लिए ये शायद it can be a starting point to their fitness journey. And that's it. So until we meet next time for our next workout, let's keep getting fit and better.